let's open this package together. The other day, I was fortunate enough to receive this package from my friends over at Square Baby. So basically, Square Baby is a meal subscription service for your little ones. They are just 100% daily nutrition. They're balanced, they're easy. These are frozen meals that you can keep in the freezer, and then you can thaw them in the fridge, and then once you put them in the fridge, they're good for up to 14 days. But let's get into this. Inside looks like, at first, inside we had our little pamphlet. Not really a pamphlet, this is a book. Okay, so first of all, there is this powder. That's an easy way of introducing peanuts to your little one. Peanut allergies, I think, are one of the most common allergies that's recommended by the AAP, especially for the high risk groups. Super important to be introducing allergens as soon as 4 months and to be giving it to them often. Keep your baby's tolerance up when it comes to certain allergen foods is to be consistently introducing it to them. What I love about the idea of this powder is that you can add it into your meal that you've already made, adding 1 tablespoon to whatever food that you're making, or you can add it in directly to milk, breast milk, formula, water, or whatever. Amazing. I love this. It's wonderful. We'll definitely be using this in the morning for breakfast. So this was the first thing. And then we also have, I think this is a Square Baby silicone bib. How cute! Which we will also be using. I love it. And then here are our actual meals. Look at these. This is so convenient. Here is what the actual little meal packages look like. This one, which is berry beet, this is an A meal, which has a yogurt protein. Ingredients in here are beet, strawberry, whole milk yogurt, and quinoa. I love how small these are and how thin these are, so they don't take too much room. This is a B meal. This one is minty greens, and this one is a plant protein, and it has peas, spinach, broccoli, apple, green lentils, quinoa, avocado oil, and mint. And then we have a C meal. C meals are animal proteins. This one is apple curry chicken. This one has zucchini, peas, apple, quinoa, chicken bone broth, coconut cream, and curry. I would want to eat that. That sounds so yum. My baby is a little bit of a picky eater right now, and a lot of the ingredients that are in these meals are foods that I would never even attempt to try and make myself to gift to her. Absolutely amazing. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. I love the concept behind these meals, and I love how convenient they can be, especially because we're kind of a family that is constantly on the go, and I've been really stressed out about making sure that I'm giving my daughter fully nutritious meals. But if you're like me and you're kind of stressing a little bit about different meals to be offering your child, and you just honestly don't really have time or the capacity, or it just seems a little overwhelming, I would absolutely recommend looking into these Square Baby meals. I could see them being so convenient and helpful for busy families, families with multiple kids, families with dual working parents, or just families that just want to be able to offer their children better meals. Thank you so much again, Square Baby, for sending over these meals, and I just can physically feel a weight off of my shoulder. I just felt like I was behind and that I wasn't offering my child the best things possible, and I didn't even know where to start. So I'm so excited.